In November 2020, the Scottish Health Secretary Jeane Freeman made this statement in Parliament regarding the approval of the COVID-19 vaccines.
We don't know if this vaccine, the Pfizer vaccine, will stop you getting the virus, stop you passing the virus on, or prevent it from causing serious harm.
She confirmed that, whilst the MHRA had approved the vaccine for use, we still did not know if the vaccines prevented infection, prevented onward transmission, or prevented serious illness from COVID. In other words, she had no idea if the vaccines were effective. Despite not knowing if the vaccines were effective, Jeane Freeman would make the bold statement, however, that the vaccine would be safe.
And it will be safe. And it will be safe.
Safe and effective. Not just the tagline for the vaccine sales pitch, but also the underlying criteria for any medicines being approved for use by the UK Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, the MHRA. A vaccine must be both safe and effective. We know now for a fact that neither the Pfizer nor AstraZeneca vaccines prevented infection or onward transmission. The Pfizer CEO even admitted that their vaccine had never even been tested for impact on transmission during the trials. The UK Health Security Agency also produced reports showing that over 90% of COVID infections in 2022 were amongst the vaccinated. And in 2023, the Office for National Statistics published its last report on COVID deaths by vaccination status. The report showed that over 95% of COVID deaths in 2023 were amongst the vaccinated, despite only 80% of the adult population having been vaccinated. So how can they still claim the vaccine was effective if it did not prevent infection, transmission, illness or death? Safety was an even bigger concern. We were repeatedly told that this vaccine was safe. To track the safety of a vaccine post-approval, the UK MHRA runs a yellow card system, which is used to report any suspected adverse drug reactions of any medicines, vaccines or drugs. A recent Freedom of Information request to the MHRA has revealed that a total of 36,414 adverse drug reaction reports following a COVID-19 vaccination were reported in Scotland alone, up to the 13th of October 2024. Of the reports raised, 60% or 22,000 were classified as serious, and there were 228 reports which included a fatal outcome. How can the Health Secretary still claim that the vaccines were safe? A full copy of the UK yellow card figures can be found on the MHRA website, full links provided in the video description. Safe and effective? Really? Thanks for watching guys. Please be sure to subscribe and to share this video.